Hello there, and welcome to Crypto Trade Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our automated trading bot on the platform. This bot is powerful, responsive, and extremely easy to use. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. Go to the menu, then tap on Extras. Here, you will find detailed information about our bot, how it works, and the features it offers. We have explained everything in this section so you fully understand what the bot can do. You can also watch a demonstration video showing how the bot performs in real time. This allows you to see the bot in action before using it. Now, under the bot section, this is where you will access the software itself. Once you purchase the bot, you receive lifetime access. The bot comes with powerful features, including up to 95% trading accuracy, ability to trade all available cryptocurrencies, instant Telegram notifications, fully automated 24/7 trading, lifetime updates, and dedicated support. To get started, simply click Purchase Bot and complete your payment. Once your payment is verified, you will instantly unlock access and begin setting up your bot. During setup, you will be required to enter your Telegram user ID. To get this, open Telegram and send a message to the user info bot. It will reply with your Telegram ID. Copy the ID, paste it into the bot settings, test the connection, and then save your changes. Now let's test the bot. I'm selecting my real balance. I will stake $300. Set 4 positions. Choose a 98% take profit and leave the stop loss at the default value. Once you create the trade, you will receive a Telegram notification showing the estimated time when the bot will start trading. This is because the bot first analyzes the market before entering any position. As you can see, this trade will begin in approximately 20 minutes. We can monitor the performance under the activity section. I just received a Telegram notification. Let's check it. Amazing! The trade we created is now live. The bot has opened 4 positions on the ETH coin. Let's wait around 6 minutes for the result. I've received another Telegram alert. The trade has completed, and here are the results. The bot executed 1 position, meaning 3 positions remain, and the first profit recorded is $29. Another alert just arrived. This time, the remaining 3 positions have been completed, and the bot made a total profit of $468. That is impressive. The bot will continue trading automatically in this cycle until you stop it. This makes trading much easier because you don't need to sit and monitor charts all day. You simply receive updates directly on your Telegram anytime, anywhere. Do you like this bot? This is your chance to get it and start trading automatically. If you want to learn more about manual trading, make sure you watch the video above. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos. Happy trading!